You won't get fat when stop smoking. Another frequently repeated rationalization for the cigarette habit is, I'd like to stop smoking, but every time I do I gain weight. And it's worse to be overweight than it is to smoke. The good news is, not all smokers who stop smoking gain weight. Even if weight gain was inevitable, the average gain is only between 6 and 8 pounds. Not too much of a big deal now, isn't it? It isn't the fact that a person has stopped smoking that may cause him to gain weight. In the belief that he needs something tangible to relax tension, which he previously achieved by the mechanical movements of lighting a cigarette. A reformed addict may take to eating candy bars or nibbling on sweets. Something to do, anything to do, in other words, to take his mind away from the pressing problems, and to get back some of those old, familiar gestures that are part of the habitual pattern of smoking. The gesture of reaching for something, and picking it up, and then placing it in the mouth. The gestures and muscle movements of the lips, mouth, and jaws. As many of the gestures of smoking as can be achieved, in other words, without a cigarette. You'll soon see that this isn't necessary either. Do moderate intensity exercises on a regular routine. Examples are going swimming, jogging, playing a sport or aerobics. Cut down on unhealthy snacking. If you feel like munching, grab something healthy like a diet bar or a fruit. Avoid alcohol or limit yourself to 1 drink a week. Alcohol can make you fat too. Instead of having 3 main meals a day, spread them out to 6 small meals throughout the day. This can help you maintain a high metabolism throughout the day and you burn more calories. Avoid eating past 9 p.m. The body's metabolism slows down at night, so food consumed past this hour will take longer to digest.